Okay, so here we are on my dashboard, and you should know how to log into Canvas at this point. Now, these are three that I have created, 3 courses that I have created down here, which is why they have the option to publish. Now, I've been told that once our classes are actually input, that on the district or the school side, they are going to push out our classes. So I would have something here that says, you know, PreCalc or something. They'll have a course for me. So what I'm playing in is I'm naming them sandboxes just because that's the vocabulary that's used. They're playgrounds, basically. So for example, my PreCalc sandbox, this is where I'm making, it's like a faux class, but it's not really it's not really a faux class. I'm setting up everything as if it was an actual class. Because once I actually have my real pre-calculus class on here, then I can actually go into that real pre-calculus class and go import existing content, and it will let me import all the content that I have put into this course. So what I'm doing is I'm basically structuring my course and getting it all set up ready so that once that course is actually added, I can just import the content that I've already created into the new one. Now, pre-calculus might not be the best place. Let me see. I've done a little bit in here. This can be my integrated math 1. I've made a home page here. I'd like to put some little interactive tabs down there. The way I did this, I can make a separate video for this if you want. I went to pages. You have to create a go to view all pages. You have to actually create a page. I just created a Google slide, and then I saved that slide as a PDF. And then you have to say, right here it would say set as front page, use as front page, and that's what becomes my home page there. I would like to have, I'm still learning this as well, as you can tell. I would like to, hang on, this isn't, choose home page, sorry. I'll go to choose home page, now I gotta do it again, put it back there. So this is the first page that students would see. I want to put a link there for the syllabus, a link to maybe this week's work or whatever unit we're on, maybe contact information, class schedules, whatever. I'm still working on that. But so that's all I've done in IM1. Pre-calc, I've actually started playing around with assignments. So I'm going to create an assignment right here. I've already created a couple, but I'm going to create an assignment. Now, I have modules, introductory module. This is where I was thinking of putting stuff for that first week. And then here's where I'm starting to put the 5A stuff. 6. Why did 6 go before 5B? Let's do 5B before 6. There we go. And we can just start adding the content, so that way we just have to publish it and it's ready to go, or set it to publish, either way. So I'm going to add, for example, the 5.2 assignment, which would come next. Now, if I press plus on this, on the assignments listed, neither of them are the 5.2a because I haven't created that assignment yet. Now, when we use this for the second time, it will be nice because all those assignments will already be created. So I can just click and add and I'm done. But at this point, I need to go to assignments and I'm going to create the 5.2 assignment. So I'm going to click plus assignment. Assignment 5.2. Now I named them 5.2A, 5.1A just in case we want a second worksheet or anything. We can kind of follow the IM3 numbering that we were doing. So 5.2A, now I have a CUDA worksheet for this. And I haven't done this yet, so you're kind of with me here. I can upload a file. So let's see if I can upload a file. Upload a new file. I want to choose a file. And I want to choose, do I have it? Okay, let's do 5.4a, because that's what I have. I want to upload the one with odd answers, PDF. So I'm going to change this. This is 5.4a, because the 5.2 I can't find right now. So it is uploading, currently I believe, into my course files. I'm hoping. Yep, there it is. And then, let's see, I can add any images I want. If I want to include some links to other places or whatever, that's fine. I'm pretty sure this is all I need to do, unless I want to type in any other instructions or whatever. I can insert a math equation, and it does have a fairly extensive toolbar there for me to use. I can insert an image, a video, so if I want a little video of me explaining how to do it, etc., etc. I'm making it out of 10 points. This would go in my assignments category because I don't have the other group set up. Display the grade as points, that's fine. I'm not going to click that because I don't know why. Well, you could if you're just uploading information or something. Submission time. This is where I was talking to Paula about it. They are submitting everything online for the most part. They could either submit it one of those ways. I'm going to do a file upload, assuming that they are going to upload a picture or something like that. Allowed attempts. I think the default is unlimited. I changed it to limited, meaning that I want them to turn it in once. Maybe I'll change that to twice. I don't know. I don't know enough about this yet to see if I want to do more or not. Maybe one of the summer school people can do more with that. Plagiarism review, I think that's more for English. Not a group assignment. No. Paula said always check this. Include when syncing to the SIS. And then assign to everyone. If I want to change that, I can change it to my course sections would be under there. And then when do I want this due? Let's say we're doing, I don't know, let's say it's due Wednesday the 8th. Nope, that wouldn't be good. That's July 8th. How about Wednesday the 12th? And then I can change the time. Let's say 11:59 p.m. And then available from means this is when it will actually post. Now, I'm going to leave it as right now, just so that I can see it. But if I don't even want to see it visible until, say, Monday the 10th, I can put when I want it to appear on there. And then this would be when it gets taken off, when it's not able for them to, it doesn't let them turn in past this. So this is when they can see it from. So let's say it's due the 12th. I'm going to shut it off at the 14th, and it's automatically defaulted at 11:59, but you can change that. What does add mean? Oh, you can assign it to another group. Interesting. So this assignment thing, I believe, is if you have different course sections. So if I had period 1, period 2, period 3, I can just do that there, and it's assigned to everyone. So I'm going to click Save. So I think I have this set up. If I think I have it set up correctly, I'm going to publish it because I need to publish it before I can actually assign it. So this is where I'm keeping all my assignments. Let's just double click on that. See, okay, so it downloaded. There's my PDF. Okay, so I think we're okay. So this is where my assignments are. So let's go back to my home page for this course where I have all my modules, and I want to put that assignment that I just created into Chapter 5A. So rather than just a list of assignments like we had on Google Classroom, this is kind of like your topic for Google, or like Google Classroom. Now if you see, I have that assignment here. I'm going to add the assignment to this folder. It already has the due dates and everything in there. It's published because it's got that green thing. I can unpublish it if I'm not ready for it. If I want it in a different place, I can click it and drag it and say, hey, let's put it up there. Not a big deal. The assignments, if you notice, look like a paper with pencil. This is just a link to a document, not an actual assignment that they need to turn in, but it also tells them how many points it's worth. And then if I want to look at student view, so what are the students going to see? When they see this, this is what they see. So they see these are the published things. And if I want them to go look at this, this is the way the assignment's going to appear for the students. It's going to look like this. Now I could have typed in some information there. It tells them how many allowed attempts they are, how many they're going to submit, or how they're going to submit it. So they click on that, it downloads whatever. If they go to submit assignment, all they have to do is choose whatever file they have. Now you can say it can be a picture, whatever, blah, blah, blah. If I choose a file, this isn't it, but let's say I choose that to upload, and I'm going to say submit assignment. They can also pick something from their Google Drive and stuff you say, and it says submitted. Okay? If they click next, it goes to their next assignment that's there. So let's go. Notice they don't have as many options here to see, but now I can look here, blah, blah, blah. It hasn't been graded, but it was submitted. Now, I don't know. It's no longer on the to-do list, so that's good. So I think this is all them. I'm going to leave the student view now because I think I've got what I want there. So what I've been doing is just going to the assignments, and I'm going to try and just start adding assignments there so that you can just come here, go plus, and have all the assignments to choose from there, and just click it, and then you'll be done. You don't have to go through the actually creating the assignment. So this is basically a file cabinet of all the assignments, and you're just pulling out the appropriate ones and putting them in the appropriate module. I hope that makes sense. You notice that we have a ton of links here. These little eyeball things mean that these particular ones are not visible to the students. I believe, I haven't figured out yet how to make more of them not visible to the students, but maybe that's something that, I know that we have some control over that, but I'm playing with that. So anyways, I hope that's helpful. If there's anything else you have questions on, please feel free to ask me. This is not hard for me to do, and it makes me understand what I'm doing even better, so it's not a hassle at all. All right, bye.